Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. What are you cooking for your family tonight? Appa will be cooking, making some fried beehoon. Yeah, Appa's favorite and my family's favorite as well. And dinner, home cooking dinner, doesn't need to be complicated, right? Appa today is going to show you how to fry beehoon and without breaking your beehoon so easily. There's some tricks, and also how to make your beehoon extremely fluffy and bouncy. So now I have 3 pieces of beehoon here. Then I have some veggie. Usually I like to use cabbage, but today I don't have cabbage left. I only have Chinese cabbage, so I use some Chinese cabbage here, and also 1 piece of carrot, julienne, yeah, meaning slice it up. Then this is approximately 2 tablespoons of coarsely chopped dried shrimp, heavy, yeah, and also some shallots as well as garlic. So first of all, we want to prep the beehoon. Notice my beehoon is not soaked, yeah. So we are going to prepare a pot of boiling water. Then you're going to cook the beehoon for exactly 60 seconds. And you can actually put in a little bit of salt in here. I forgot just now. And a little bit of oil. Actually, you should put the oil and the salt before you put in the beehoon. Anyway, it's okay. So break out the beehoon. After 1 minute, your beehoon will be like about 70% cooked. And now you want to prepare a pot with a lid at the side. Now it's exactly 1 minute. I'm going to put it into the pot at the side. And let me turn around here, turn over. So this is the pot. And I'm going to close it with a lid. Let the residual heat to continue cook through your beehoon to at least about 90%, yeah? Now let's give it a little bit of oil here. And heat up the oil. Once the oil is heated up, put in the garlic and also shallot. We're going to make some garlic and shallot oil. Wow, already very fragrant. Then we can actually put in the carrots. Why am I putting the carrots right now? Because you always want to saute your carrots with some oil. Then you will start seeing the oil turning orangey. That is where the carotene started to release from the carrot itself. So it is oil soluble. This is how you can get the vitamin A out of it, yeah, carotene. And then the coarsely chopped heavy. Ooh, already super fragrant. Wow. I wish you can smell the heavy together with the garlic and also shallot oil. So this is what we are going to make the base flavor for your beehoon. After that, I'm going to put in some water and also the veggie. Now you want to season this before you add in the beehoon. depending what kind of color you want to create here. My wife prefer white bee hoon. I prefer brown color bee hoon. So which one? I haven't decided yet. Let's give it a little bit more water. Tune down the fire before you want to add the seasoning. I'm going to add a little bit of my cooking apa chicken powder. This will give you some umami flavor. You can get it from Shopee, Singapore and Malaysia, or 100% natural. A little bit of salt. A little bit of fish sauce. And we shall give it a bit of sugar as well to balance out all the flavor. And few dashes of white pepper. Now we can raise the heat. Now you don't want to add too much water, but you do want enough water to flavor your bee hoon. I probably will add in a little bit more. Now that this is flavored, so I'm going to cook, as you can see from here, it's going to be white bee hoon tonight. My wife's favorite. Tune down the fire first. I need to show you what to do with the bee hoon next. So this is the bee hoon, about 80% cooked. I'm going to give it a little bit, some cuts, so that it's easier to stir fry. Now I can put it in. Put the bee hoon into the wok. Now we can raise the heat to medium high. So now you want to mix everything up nicely. Make sure your bee hoon is evenly soak up all the flavor. So why does people's bee hoon always break up? Because this particular stage they stir fry for too long. So the trick here is not to stir fry for too long. Yeah. And we make the sauce already just ready. So all you need now, and your bee hoon is almost like 80 or 90% cooked. So what you need now is just to make sure everything is cooked nicely, and the bee hoon is nicely absorb all the flavor. That's it. See, we are almost there. The bee hoon is almost ready, and just remember, just now we close the lid to let the bee hoon simmer. Now that is to allow the bee hoon to be very spongy later. You can tell this from here. It's going to be very spongy. Almost done. Almost done. Now I'm just before serving, I'm going to out the fire right now, and give it a little bit of either garlic or onion oil. This is a bit of garlic oil. So garlic oil is used as a flavored oil here, like a seasoning. And give it a few toss or few stir. Appa doesn't know how to toss. And it is done. Bouncy, and it doesn't break. See? Beautifully done. So here's Appa's very simple trick on how to stir fry bee hoon without breaking it and make sure it is very, very bouncy. It is definitely very bouncy. You can feel from by here by moving the plate. Alright, thank you very much for Appa's very simple video today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.